This is a beginning tutorial on how to use SPLI. I'm going to show you how to make a window like this that students can click on to find different information. So to start with, we want to go to a new scenario. This button helps us create a location. It also helps us create objects. This button is used to click on different things, and this button gets rid of them. Let's start the tutorial. Firstly, we want to edit this location. I'm going to call this location 1. Then I'm going to add an icon. So I'm going to change what this pin looks like from the file system. So you can see here I've already got a picture on my file called 1 and it just looks like that. Now it's called 1. That's just if you click around. Now we're going to create an environment background. It's the same thing. We're just going to select the background that I had previously. So let's say we want to make a box under consistency that students can click on. What you want to do is click on the item, then change the icon. So from here I've got things called orange square, which is just orange squares. You can make these in Paint or on Word. Either way, so now they can click on an orange square. You want to select that it can't be collected. This is only if you want the students to collect items, but don't bother about that. So now basically what happens is, let's say we have another location called 2. If they click on 1, this appears, and if they click on 2, it disappears. So now you might want to create some instructions. So you can write, you just edit in the box down here, you can say instructions, click on the orange square. This is a good place to put instructions too. In the blue boxes, they're all just a default, they're just always there. Then in order to edit the object, you click on the object. Then we call the object consistency and we write an explanation of consistency. What this means is when you click on another location, everything disappears, but then you click back on one, it all appears again. So it's essentially like you're in a house and you're walking through different rooms, and there's different information and objects in each one. So let's create another object. So we use this and click there. We go to the icon and we want to make it a different color square. I'm going to call this consensus. So I'm going to explain it down there. Then you notice if a student clicks on consistency, it will talk about consistency, and if they click on consensus, it will talk about consensus.